안녕하세요 여러분, 은비 언니예요. You guys all know about this song called Gangnam Style, right? 오빤 Gangnam Style. Today I'll be talking about a little bit of Gangnam and Gangbuk. Let me first start telling you what Gangnam and Gangbuk are exactly. So if you see the map of South Korea, let's say this is Seoul, and there is an iconic river called Hangang going through in the middle of Seoul. Gang means river, and north is Buk in Korean, and south is Nam in Korean. So Gangnam means southern part of Seoul because it's located the south from the river, and Gangbuk is the northern Seoul because it's located north from the river, so it's called Gangbuk, Gangnam. Pretty simple, right? Just like NorCal and SoCal. So why Gangnam Style? Let me explain a little bit more on Gangbuk and Gangnam. Generally, Gangnam is considered to be more rich area than Gangbuk. It doesn't mean that Gangbuk is a poor area, but it's just that Gangnam is richer because most of rich families, like families of those big companies like Samsung and LG, like etc., would live in Gangnam area, so they would have better environment of education, and because of that, more people would want to live in Gangnam area over Gangbuk area, but the space is limited, right? So what happens is that the cost of the land and the housing goes up really high because living cost is already higher in Gangnam. If you say you have a house and you live in Gangnam, people will first think that you are in a good status financially, because living in Gangnam area already means that you can at least afford the living cost there. Since there are more rich people in Gangnam area, they have better access to luxury, like more luxury goods. So the word Gangnam Style normally used to call something that is luxurious. So you can find it only in Gangnam, but not in other area. For example, I lived in Gangbuk before I moved to the States. And I was like 10 years old or something like that. And I was watching this TV show. It was a cooking show, right? And the show host was using these exotic ingredients, like these weird named cheese and weird named like hams that I've never heard or never seen from market anywhere near my town, right? I was like, why would they make a TV show like that? Because people wouldn't find those ingredients in Korea. Like those are only available in Europe or like America. You cannot find it. You cannot find it here. And why would make such things like that? And later I figured out that those ingredients were all available in Gangnam area. It's like 20 years ago, so it changed a lot in Korea. Gangbuk is not poor, obviously, because it's still Seoul, just that Gangnam is a bit more richer. So the word Gangnam Style already been used widely among people, like for a long time, even before the song came out. It's just that the Psy, the singer, he picked this word Gangnam Style to be used for his song. So it's not that his song made it popular, the word already existed before the song. Then what would Gangnam style be like? Well, there will be, it'll need some more explanation, but just to describe it briefly, I would say Gangnam style would be like more affordable or priced reasonably or more practical, not so fancy. So this was a brief description of Gangnam and Gangnam for you guys to have better understanding of the song and this popular word Gangnam style. Thanks for watching, subs for love, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!